Well, today's Saturday, it's the 20th of July, it's 2024, and I'm in Son Bugadelles industrial estate for the car boot sale, the Rastrillo. And well, as you can see, there ain't many stalls here, at least not this patch. It is incredibly hot. I can feel that the heat blazing up at me. It's still only morning time. So I'm perhaps not too surprised that there are not many stalls here, and I guess that's going to be the same story as we go through the rest of July and then into August. Fortunately, there is a place over there you can get a drink or even a bite to eat, and some other people have come out and set up their stalls. I'll have a little look around and go down this bottom section. The thing I noticed as well on the road just coming here, there was a lot more parking than there normally is. I think people have decided already, even though it's only 11:30, there's just not enough people to warrant it. So just to show you, this is the area that's set aside for the middle area. It's a huge area, and there's just hardly anybody here today. Maybe everybody's just gone to the beach. It's probably a sensible thing to do. And actually, as I came out of the house, I didn't really plan to come here. I just thought I'd go down to Santa Ponsa. As I was driving in, I thought maybe just have a look. So I know some people come on here on holiday here, and they like to go to these sort of flea market type places, and I'm never quite sure whether I should be recommending it or not. And well, today, I don't know, maybe you can still pick up a bargain or two. So just looking down this side, it's again way less than half full. Some records for sale there. Probably be melting in the heat. We're in the middle of the heat wave, of course, and it's well, it's only morning, so the temperatures are probably only about 30, 31. But later on today, the temperatures are predicted to go above 35 degrees. Already feels pretty warm. And I've done it again. I've walked out of the house without my water bottle, filled it up, put it on the table, got distracted and walked out without. Some nice carpets there. Rugs. Came here a few weeks ago with Malena and his sister, and I tend to go around these places quite quickly because I just really like to look, but they like to browse. So there's a difference, I think, between looking and browsing. I can do a look in a few seconds, they browse in minutes. And well, they did come away with really quite a lot of stuff, so it was quite nice. Some things I wouldn't recognise at all. Perfumes, nice watches there. And Malena really does like her car boot sales. Nice globe. And it's a Spanish globe, so when you look at these globes you have to look at what language the countries are in, and the names there were in Spanish. bed over there. So it's like walking across a desert. Dust's blowing up a little bit as well. I like stalls like this where they've got lots of little interesting sorts of things. Sometimes you wonder exactly what you are looking at. It's a part of a vice, but missing a vital part of it. And a wheelbarrow. Take all your booty home. And some beds. See there, they decided to give up. They just are not the punters here. Just looking up there now, there's almost nobody wandering around, so nobody to buy anything. So at least over this side they've got a little bit of shade. Usually stalls all the way up here. This is the numbers on the walls there. So, and they have to pay to have a stall here, and some will pay for a whole season. I don't know how much it costs, but so they'll have their place pre-booked. I guess they're the ones that just are not turning up today because they've decided they'd rather do something else. Interesting to buy one of those and walk out of here carrying it. And some of the people, I think, rely on these market stalls for their living, so I think they're going to be making much today. Books. Big axe down there. is that? Curiosities. I think probably the bar's doing the best. That's my friend Liz. Oh, that was really nice. I had an opportunity to catch up with Liz and David, Marjorie, who I haven't seen for a while. Most enjoyable, and well, not much else to see, and I'm not going to walk up to the top of the car boot sale up there because I don't think there's very much to see. So well, thanks very much for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.